Hey everyone, it's Alexa here. I have my scleras in. I have the yellow pupil and we will get started. I'm just priming my face, prepping it up for the shade even. Just put a lot of hydration in there. Then we're going to smooth it out. Everything I am using will be listed down below in order in case you guys are curious, but I'm not going to waste time talking about what we are doing right now. I'm right here. This look is basically just lots of veins, very similar to our Bloody Mary look we did from day one. I'm adding some concealer to our foundation and we are just going to spray our face and then blend that in. Make sure you blend into your hairline by your neck and by your ears. You can drag this all the way down to your neck if you'd like to. I just drug it a little bit down. The veins were pretty much going to cover up everything anyway. So yeah, also I was breaking out during the filming of this, so I'm so super sorry about that. You can see my little breakouts going on. So I usually contour with like a warm brown color. I'm going to be contouring with an ashy type of gray color, making our lines really harsh, really kind of stand out-y. I don't know a better way to describe that. You can always start with your eyes first, but I thought for this look it would be easier to lay down my base and then do my eyes, even though we are working with a black. We're going to work a lot around our under eye too. So I'm taking the black from my lid up into our transition color, then I'm using a dark purpley brown, and then I am just blending that into my crease. I put some white powder below my eyes so I can just wipe that away and I won't have to worry about that getting in the way of my foundation work. I'm just contouring along my hairline with that gray color we used. You know me, I like to jump around a lot. Jump, jump, jump around. Making my lines a little bit more harsh. Just kind of doing some detail work in my crease. Just taking this a little bit down around my eye. Just really working that wrinkle right under my eye, right by my eye socket. Just adding a little bit more dimension by my eye, blending this in. Making faces, because it's not my video if I don't make a face. I'm just kind of detailing my eyebrows, just kind of flicking, making them just look really fluffy and kind of out of place. I didn't go too crazy with them. This look is, you know, mostly about the eyes. This is like, whoa, crazy eye look. I'm taking a white silver color as my highlight. You don't have to highlight if you don't want to. I just cannot even fathom not highlighting my face. So I take this on the high points, my cheekbones, my nose, my forehead, my cupid's bow, and right on my chin. I'm just fluffing a little bit of a taupe color through my eyebrows. Just kind of flicking those hairs up, making sure they stay in place. Just working down the bridge of my nose. For this look, I didn't know if I was going to use a blonde wig because previously I did use a blonde wig, but as you can see from the intro, I did go with a black wig. So I'm making my wing really harsh, really big, really dramatic. I'm just adding some mascara, going back over my highlight. I kept my lips pale. We're putting on some false lashes. We're just jumping around everywhere. Once that glue dries, go back over the band with your desired wing, desired blackness, desired thickness, anything you want to call that. I am just adding some veins coming down out of my eye. I used a kind of a dark berry color, and then I added in some gray, and then I did go back and add some black in there just so it would all tie in together, and this is the color we mostly used for the veins. As you can see, I'm starting that now. I did add a little mole to kind of cover up that breakout I had right there, but I thought it was kind of an interesting placement with the harshness and the lines and the squigglies, and then I just have a dot in my face. I don't know. So this is really what took me forever. This actually probably took me the longest to do of everything I've done so far. It took me 3 hours, but I was stopping and starting a lot. I did take a lot of breaks because my eyes were hurting, and I just wanted to make sure it looked really good. I am right-handed, so I worked on my left side first, so like the side that mostly faces the camera is my left side, if you guys couldn't tell. So we're just adding in all of the veins first, some harsher, some darker, some working up my face, some of them connecting, a lot of them just kind of branching off. Veins are, I used to think they were really hard. When I first did my Bloody Mary, that was like my first real attempt with veins, and my NYX Goddess of the Night one that was like my ultimate first attempt at veins. And I mean, if you want to make them super hyper realistic, then, you know, follow a muscle pattern. Look at a picture for reference, but you just kind of make squigglies, kind of lightning bolts all over the face. And then you go in with dimension, you go in with shading, and then you go in with like darker colors. It's just very meticulous and intricate work basically to do the veins. So that's basically all this tutorial is just me going back and forth over veins, making them harsher, making them darker, all of that jazz. Something is happening on my screen. So yeah, I basically just did these lines. I added some black. I highlighted the high points of where I thought the veins would look good with kind of a goldy white color. And then I added some gray in just to give it a little bit more shading, have a little more depth to that. Painted my hand black, threw on a wig cap in my wig and my horns, and that's pretty much the look. I do have some teeth I wasn't able to get to stick to me. I think I need denture cream actually. Everything I try to make it stick to me, like the tooth insert, just never works. So I did have it in a previous picture on my Instagram. Of course, you guys can go check that out. I'm at Alexa Charlotte Emmy Way. If you guys would like to follow me there, see my updates. I've been posting lots of stuff. Of course, 31 Days of Halloween, some throwbacks and stuff like that. I'm pre-recording this right now. It's actually August 14th. Yeah, it's August 14th. So getting ahead of schedule, trying to do some stuff, make it the best 31 Days of Halloween yet, and actually do 31 Days of Halloween. But I hope you guys are enjoying day 21 and enjoy this little montage of me being sexy at the end here. Love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Happy Halloween!